everyone, right? We are discussing simple equations topic. Some more examples we can do. See the question number 1. Half of 1/3 of a number added to half of 1/3 of a number added to 1/4 the number is 11 more than 1/9 of the number. Find the number. Just read the question properly. There is no difficulty part, but the construction is somewhat different here. To make you confused, sometimes they will give the construction in this manner, but some is very easy. Simple equations. The topic is simple equations. You need to know how to solve in a simple manner. Right? Can I get answer from any one of you? Good morning everyone, right? Good morning. Half of 1/3 of a number, half of 1/3 of a number. Read it carefully. Half of 1/3 of a number is added to 1/4 of the same number. 1/4 of the same number is equal to, is given that 11 more than 1/9 of the same number. Here every time the number is same, but the construction is somewhat different. Can I get answer from any one of you? Can I get answer from any one of you? By using options we can do. By using options we can do. By equation manner also we can do. We are doing simple equations, we can solve in a simple manner. So you need to find a simple equation to solve it. By practicing we can go by options very easily. It will take less than 20 seconds. First you need to know how to do the sum, then only we can go by options, right? Right? 36, one member is given 36. 36 is given by Usha Gayatri is very good. Uppalur Usha Gayatri is given 36. Rosa Raman is given 36, right? Started answering, right? Any one of you? Having doubt, I will explain now. See once here, let the number, every time the number is same, no? Let the number you take as x, what is there? Let the number you take as x. Now go for the half of 1/3 of the number, 1/3 of the number. Half of 1/3 of this number added to plus, added to what happens now? 1/4 of the same number, 1/4 of the same number is 11 more than 1/9 of the same number. 1/9 of the same number, 11 more. That is the equation we need to get here. Now what happens here? By solving this we will get x by 6. X by 6 by x plus x by 4 equal to x by 9 plus 11. By trial and error method we can keep what is x value. Suppose if you take x equal to 36, what happens is 36 by 6. 36 by 6 is 6. 36 by 4 is 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. Now what happens here? 11 plus 36 by 9, that is 4. So 4 plus 11, 15. So the x value is here 36. Just replacing the given values. After getting the equation, replace any of these values. If it is satisfied, that is the answer here. X is 36, right? Many of you written 36. Very good, very good. Simple equations. Our topic is simple equations. You need to solve in a simple manner, right? Can I go for, is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Shravani Kumari, I am getting your message. Why, girl? Why? I didn't read. See, hundreds of the messages. Shravani Kumari, I will get everybody's message, but in seconds, many messages, hundreds messages will come. More than 100 messages will come. I will read 40, 50 messages. Maybe your message, I skipped, I think, right? Right? Somebody is asking, explain again. Okay, see once here. What is there here in this sum? Just you see, somebody is asking, one or two members asked once again explanation, right? Half of 1/3 of a number, that number you take as x. Half of 1/3 means 1/3 of a number, added to means plus you write. Added to means plus you write. 1/4 of the same number. 1/4 of the same number. 1/4 of the same number is 11 more than 1/9 of the same number. 1/9 of the same number. 1/9 of the same number. Just 2 3s are 6, x by 6 plus x by 4 equal to 11 plus x by 9. We know the values here because options are given here. We can replace any one of the value because here 6, 4, 9 is there. 6, 4, 9 will go in 36. The LCM of 6, 4, 9 will go in 36. We can write 36 as the number. 36 by 6, that is 6. 36 by 4, that is 9. 11 plus 36 by 9, that is 4. So 6 plus 5, 15, 11 plus 4, 15. Both are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. So the value is, the given number is 36. Given number is 36. Is it clear for everyone? Right? Right? One more example is, just read it. One more example. Listen carefully, every sum you will get. There is no difficulty part in these simple equations. Of course, it is a mathematical topic, is giving in regularly in CRT exams or bank exams or another exams. Okay, because simple equations they will give. So this concepts will be there. Already learnt in 8th class, 9th class and 7th class and 6th class also. That's why they are giving in CRT exams, because below 10th class mathematics. Right? Question number next one. Read it carefully and try to do. Read it carefully and try to do. Right? See clearly what was given there, you see. Sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. Sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 33. Find the sum of the squares of the numbers. Find the sum of the squares of the numbers is given. Sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers means 1, 3, 5. If not, if you start with 5, 7, 9. If you start with 9, 9, 11, 13. Suppose if you start with 7, 7, 9, 11. Consecutive odd numbers. The sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 33. Very less sum is given. We can find very easily. Of course, we can solve by equations also. Right? Try, we can discuss now. 371. Many of you written 371. Many of you written 371. I think 371 is correct only. Many of you in seconds all of you given answer right. In seconds, all of you give an answer, right? Very good, very good. Sum of three consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers is 33. Many of you written 371 as answer. I think it is correct only. Sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 33. Three consecutive odd numbers is 33. Suppose if you take 9, 11, 13, what happens is 9 plus 11 plus 13, how much you see? 33. So 3 consecutive odd numbers 33. Sum of the squares of the numbers 9 square, 11 square, 13 square is asking. 9 square 81, 11 square 121, 13 square 169. The sum is 371. Because this is very less sum, we can use our thought process to get the answer. 9, 11, 13 is sum is 33. Sum is 33. If you want to do by equation form, let the first number if you take as x, second number x plus 2 will become, third number x plus 4 will become. The general form of odd numbers is 2x plus 1. That also we can take. Let the number is 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5. By this also we can do. By this also we can do. By adding these 3, you will get 33. By adding these 3. This is by thought process or thinking process. If you add all these, what happens here? That is given 33. What happens here? 3x plus 6 equal to 33. 3x equal to 33 minus 6, that is 27. So x equal to 9. X equal to 9. So first one is 9, second one is 11, third one is 13. By this also we will get. This is our thought process. This is our regular process. This is the original process. Is it clear for everyone? I think one or two members not belongs to mathematics, they are writing. Is it clear for everyone? Yes, very good. Very good. Right? Sweta Sai, I am seeing your answer. Sweta Sai, I am seeing your answer. Right? Very good. I am seeing your answer, Sweta Sai. Right, very good. One more example we can do. I am going for another example. Is it clear for everyone now? Right? Very good, very good. Very good, gentlemen and gentle ladies. Right. I will give one more question. One more question I will give. Just you try to do it. We can discuss in seconds. We can discuss in seconds, right? Now, one more question. See that what is given there. What was given there, you see. 3 consecutive even numbers. Now is given 3 consecutive even numbers is given. 3 consecutive even numbers, even integers are such that 1/3 of the second number is equal to 1/4 of the third number. Find the 3 numbers. By using options we can do, and by using simple equations also we can do. Our topic is simple equations. You need to solve in a simple manner, right? Kalyani, Gorilla is why you have to take only 9, 11, 13, sir? I already solved, gentle lady. By thought process we used that, and by equation also the same thing we got. Right? Can we solve it? 3 consecutive even numbers, even integers are such that one condition is given there. How means 1/4 of the second number, 1/4 of the second number. Suppose if you take 8, 10, 11, this is second number, third number, first number. If you take 2, 4, 6, second number, first number, third number. 1/3 of the second number, 1/3 of the second number is equal to 1/3 of the second number is equal to 1/4 of the third number. By using options, very easily you can do it. First option, everybody is writing first option, very good, very good. By using options, we can do it. By using options, we can do it. Very good, very good, very good. Suppose if we take the first option, options are given here. So take the first option. What is the first option here? 4, 6, 8. What is our condition? 1/3 of the second number. Second number this is. Second number this is. 1/3 of the second number. How much you see? 2 is equal to. So this 2 is equal to. Is giving that 1/4 of the third number. 1/4 of the third number is third number. 8, 1/4 of the third number, 2. So the condition is satisfied, and these three are consecutive even numbers. 4 after 6 only, 6 after 8 only. There is no missing in even number in this series. So 4, 6, 8, twice 1 is correct. By using options, very easily we got it. By using options, very easily we got it. Right. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Sai Meghana, I am seeing your answer, gentle lady. I am seeing your answer, gentle lady. Sai Meghana. Very good. Sai Meghana, I am seeing your answer. Right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Right. One more example I will give. One more example I will give. Right. Okay. How clever I will see to do this answer. Next question. Right. So this is the question. Read it carefully and try to do. We can discuss in seconds. Read it carefully. The cost of 15 chairs and 9 tables. 15 chairs and 9 tables is 24,594. So what is the cost of 5 chairs and 3 tables? Cost of 5 chairs and 3 tables. It will take only 2-3 seconds to get the answer. It takes only 2-3 seconds to get the answer. I will see how much time you will take. Right? The cost of 15 chairs and 9 tables is 24,594. Is asking cost of 5 chairs and 3 tables. Only one step is enough to get the answer here. It takes only 2-3 seconds to get the answer. Many of writing 8198, many of writing 8198, many of writing 8198. Somebody written 12,294. Meher Manika is written that, and other member also Meher Manika only written that. Once please verify your answer, what the question is given there and what is asking there. Just you need to read it carefully. Just you need to read it carefully. Everybody is given 8198. Everybody is given 8198. 8198. Here 8198 is given, 8918 also given. To make you confused and cannot be determined also given there. Simple equation you need to solve in a simple manner. You need to use your most brilliant brain to get the answer very easily. Right? We can solve it. Right? 15 chairs and 9 tables is given that 24,594. Here in this 3 table will go, in this also 3 table will go. So I am cancelling now, 3 table I am cancelling, 3 5s 15, 3 3s 9 equal to 3 8s are 24, it won't go in 3 1s 2, still 29, 3 9s 29, 27, still 24 is there, 3 8s are 24. Just I cancelled throughout the equation by 3, cancelling by 3, cancelling by 3 throughout the equation, cancelling by 3 throughout the equation. Just you will get the answer. 5 sides and 3 tables is 8198, first option. Just by cancelling the equation with a number, what is that number means 3. Is it clear for everyone? You need to solve the simple equations. Topic is simple equations. You need to solve in a simple manner. Very good, very good. All of you written 8198. Yes. Clear to everyone, I think? Right? I'll go to the next example. I'll go to the next example. Right? Very good. Right. See the next example. What is given there? Read it properly. See the next example. What is given there? Read it properly. The cost of 99 chocolates and 101 biscuits is 299 rupees. Cost of 99 chocolates and 101 biscuits. Combinedly, both combinedly the rate is given 299, cost is given, and is asking 101 chocolates, reversed it, and 99 biscuits is 301 rupees. So find the cost of 3 chocolates and 3 biscuits. Use your most brilliant brain to get the answer. Right? Yes. Arithmetic topic only, Sri Lalitalata, this is arithmetic topic only, gentle lady. This is arithmetic topic only, right? What is there in the syllabus, that only we will discuss. Other things we won't discuss at all. Right? Just try to do this sum, we can discuss in seconds. Try to do this one, you can discuss in seconds. Very good. You need to solve in a simple manner. You need to solve this one in a simple manner. Right? How much? Many of you written is answer is 9. Somebody written, Sri Kirti is written 3. Sri Kirti is written 3, many of you written 3 also. Somebody written 9, option 3, okay, right, option 3 you are writing, right, option 3, 3 rupees, somebody written 3 rupees, very good. Is it correct or not? Please check it once, right? I am going to do this one, just verify your answer. I am doing it, verify your answer, right? See once here. The cost of 99 chocolates and 101 biscuits. 99 chocolates and 101 biscuits is given 299 rupees. Now you reverse it. 101 chocolates and 99 biscuits is given 301. But he is asking cost of 3 chocolates and 3 biscuits he is asking. No need to solve the equation, just by adding what you will get once you see 99 plus 101, 200 chocolates. plus 101 plus 99, 200 biscuits equal to 600 by adding. Now I can cancel 200 directly throughout the equation. 200 cancel, 200 cancel, 200 will go 3 times. So cost of one chocolate and one biscuit is 3 rupees. Cost of one chocolate and one biscuit is 3 rupees. But he is asking 3 chocolates and 3 biscuits. But he is asking 3 chocolates and 3 biscuits. Everybody written this one as answer. But the question is given that 3 chocolates and 3 biscuits. All of you written 1 chocolate and 1 biscuit. Not 3 rupees, 9 rupees. You need to multiply this with 3. Again you need to multiply with 3. 3 chocolates, 3 biscuits, 3 into 3, 9 rupees. Not 3 rupees. Many of you written 3 rupees. Not 3 rupees, 9 rupees. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Everybody written 3 rupees. Just you need to verify what question is given there. Is not asking 1 chocolate and 1 biscuit. Is asking cost of 3 chocolates and 3 biscuits. 3 chocolates and 3 biscuits. Is it clear to everyone? By adding these two you got 200. By adding these two you got 200. By adding these two you got 600. Now 200 can cancel throughout the equation. Because in every term 200 is there, we can cancel. 200 will go 1 time, 200 will go 1 time, 200 will go 3 times. So 1 chocolate and 1 biscuit combinedly is given 3 rupees. It means 3 chocolates and 3 biscuits is 3 3s 9 rupees. 9 rupees. Is it clear to everyone? Right, very good. I am moving forward to one more question. Right? I will give one more question, just you try to discuss this one. Right. One more question. Is it clear everyone? Right, very good. One more question, you see what is given there. 16 years hence, 16 years hence, a man's age will be 9 times his age 16 years ago. Find his 5 years, find here 5 years, find his 5 years hence. Just try to do, we can discuss now. Suddenly question number 16 we got. Right, this is the question. We got question number 16. It's a technical issue, right? Directly we got question number 16. Question number 9 we are discussing now. Rahul, Ranjit and Randhir have 8,000 rupees among themselves. Randhir individually has 3/5 of the sum of the individual amounts with Rahul and Ranjit. What is the amount with Randhir? Can I get answer from any one of you, right? Just try, you can discuss in seconds now, right? 6,000, somebody written 6,000, name I don't know because from outside I think. 6,000 rupees. Rahul, Ranjit and Ranadhir have 8,000 rupees among themselves. Ranadhir individually has 3/5 of the sum of the individual amounts with Rahul and Ranjit. So what is the amount with Ranadhir is asking. Three of them have an amount 8,000 means Rahul, Ranjit are all started with R, so we can take some names. We can take some names. Suppose if we take this one as H, this one as if we take this one as H, this one as J and this one as D. Some letters I took H, J, D. Three of them is having 8,000 rupees. H plus J plus D is having 8,000 rupees. That is the first point is given. After that, what is given, just you read carefully and find out the equation. Ranadhir means D, Ranjit means J and Rahul means J. H. Just I took these letters Rahul, Ranjit and Ranadhir. Rahul, we are pronouncing somewhat stress by giving stress Rahul. H I taken Ranjit and Ranadhir or JD, HJD. Somebody written 6,000 rupees. Somebody written 6,000 rupees. Many of you written 6,000 rupees. Many of you. And one or two members written. Ganesh Babu is written 3,000 rupees. And Dinkar also written 3,000 rupees. Please verify your answer. Is it correct or not once? Please verify. You can discuss in seconds, right? Very good. Many of you written 6,000 rupees. And some of you written 3,000 rupees. We can discuss now. We can discuss now. Srilata, unnecessarily it is not there in simple equations. In arithmetic part means what book you are reading? Just to keep concentration on this. Just keep concentration on the lesson what is going on. It is not there in the arithmetic part, it is not there in the reasoning part. Why you to discuss unnecessarily? Right? If you write I said it will be there, if you write cat it will be there, if you write mat it will be there. If you go for campus placements it will be there. Right, very good. Many have written 6,000, right? Many have written 6,000 and one of you written 3,000. Koteswari. Koteswari is written 3,000. Deepthi also written, Deepthi Lanka also written 3,000, right? We can discuss now, right? We can discuss now. We can discuss now, right? 3,000 is I think correct answer because many have written 3,000. We can discuss now. Some of you, one of you written 2,000 also, right? What is the condition is given there? You say Ranadhir individually has 3/5. Ranadhir individually have 3/5. Ranadhir means we taken as D. Ranadhir individually is having D equal to 3/5 of H plus J. That is the condition is given there. Ranadhir individually has 3/5 of sum of the remaining two. H plus J. That is the first condition is given there. That is the first condition is given there. It means we can take H plus J equal to 5D by 3. H plus J equal to 5D by 3. H plus J equal to 5D by 3. You can write. Now, what is the second condition? Any second condition is there you see? What is the amount with Ranadhir is asking? What is the amount with Ranadhir is asking? There is no second condition. Ranadhir amount means D amount we got. So, in the place of D, we can replace A plus G means H plus G means we can replace this one 5D by 3 plus D equal to 8,000. 5D by 3 plus D. In the place of H plus G I replaced this. equal to 8,000. By solving you will get the answer. By solving you will get the answer 6D, 8D. By LCM is 3, 8D. 5D plus 3D, 8D equal to 8,000 rupees. So it will go one time 1,000 rupees. D equal to 3,000 rupees. 100% correct. Who written 3,000? Who written 3,000 is 100% correct. Many have written 3,000 right. Many have written 3,000 right. Only one equation form is given here. Somebody is asking. Meena is asking once again explanation, right? Very good. I will explain. Clearly you see. Clearly you see. So Rahul I am taking as H and Ranjit I am taking as J and Randhir I am taking as D. Because all started with R, some other names I kept. The first condition is given H plus J plus D. Three of them is having 8,000 rupees. Now the question is asking Ranadhir amount, means is asking D. What is amount with D is asking? We don't want H plus G. So what is H plus G amount? If we are able to find out, we can get the answer. The condition is given Ranadhir is having 3/5 of 3 by 5 of sum of the remaining 2. Remaining 2 means J plus H. So we can take this 3 by 5 to that place, means 5D by 3 equal to H plus J. So in the place of H plus J, you can replace 5D by 3. So in the place of H plus J, replace 5D by 3. 5D by 3, I replace H plus J plus D equal to 8,000 rupees. 3 is the LCM here. 3 is the LCM here. So 5D, D by 1 is there. So this will go 3 times plus 3 equal to 8,000. Just by solving it, 8D will come, 8D equal to 8,000. So D will go 1,000 times. So D equal to 3,000 rupees. Is it clear for everyone? Right? Okay. Right. One more example I will give. I am moving forward to another example. Just read it carefully. Just read it carefully. Right. This is the next question is given there. This is the next question is given there. An amount of 9,000 rupees is divided among 4 people A, B, C and D. The sum of the shares of A, C, D is 4 times the shares of B. The sum of the shares of B and D is equal to 4/5 of the sum of the shares of A and C. Find the share of D. Can I get answer from anyone of you? See, read it carefully. Read it carefully.
మధ్యలో అలా చిన్న లెటర్స్ పెట్టేశారు కనబడదా?
Right? Somebody written 2,400. I think you did it correctly, but answer is given wrong. Sausanya is written 2,400. Calculation mistake, I think. Read it carefully, read it carefully. Right, many have written 2,400, some have written 2,200. I think 2,200 is correct only. Cannot be determined, somebody written, Sri Kirti is written, cannot be determined. Many have written 2,200. Many have written 2,200. And some have written 26 also. We can discuss now. What is the first one is given there condition? The first condition is given here. Amount is divided among 4 people. A, B, C, D is given 9,000 rupees. A plus B plus C plus D is given 9,000 rupees. That is very clear, this condition. And what is the next condition is given? The sum of the shares of A, C, D, B is missing here. 4 times the share of B is given A plus C plus D equal to 4 times B. This is another condition is given. First condition, second condition. Now any more conditions are there, you see? The sum of the shares of B and D is equal to 4/5 of sum of shares of A and C, means B plus D shares is equal to 4/5 of A and C. Another condition. So 3 conditions are given and is asking to find what is the share of D. Share of D. Very easy one. Very easy one. Okay. We can get by using 1 and 3 equations. You can solve. Here B and D is given, A plus C is given. Here A plus C plus D equal to 4B is given. 4B is given. By solving those 3 equations, we will get the share of A, D is 2200. 2200. See, by 1 and 2, this is first and this is second equation. If you take out, by cancelling, A will be cancelled, C will be cancelled, D will be cancelled. B equal to 9,000 equal to 4B is given. By that B amount you will get as 1800. By using these 2 equations, B you will get as 1800 rupees. Once you get B, automatically D you will get. Once you will get B, automatically D you will get. Right? So here B you can replace and D value you will get. By that share you will get 2200. Equation solving is very easy. This type of sums are given to you means. When you have written 2600, see the next question. What was given there, you see? Question number next one. A 2-digit number is such that twice the 10 digits added to 11 times the unit digit. A 2-digit number is such that twice the 10th digit added to 11 times the unit digit is equal to the number itself. Find the number is asking. Once again I am reading it carefully. Listen, a 2-digit number is such that twice the 10th digit added to 11 times the unit digit. Read carefully. A 2-digit number such that twice the 10th digit added to 11 times the unit digit is equal to number itself. Is asking what is the number. Is asking what is the number. can use options. You can use options. You can use options to get this sum, because numbers no. Right, very good. Many have written 54 is correct. Yes, I think, right. Some have written 73 also. Many have written 54, some have written 73 also, right. Suppose if you take 54, what happens you see? Suppose if you take 54, what happens you see? If you take, this is the unit digit, this is the tens digit. Twice the tens digit, added to 11 times the unit digit, 11 times the unit digit. 11 fours 44 is 54, right? Yes, we got it. Once again I am explaining, just you see, the condition is a 2-digit number, I am taking the 2-digit number as 54. So this is unit digit or this is tens digit. What is the condition you see? Twice the tens digit, this is the tens digit, twice the tens digit plus 11 times the unit digit should give 54. Is it giving or not once you see? 2 5s 10, 11 4s 44 equal to 54, right? Correct only? So the digit is 54. Sum of written 73, how 73? We can check once. 73 unit digit and tens digit. Twice the tens digit, 2 into 7 plus 11 times 3, 14 plus 33 is 47, not 73. So this is not correct. So this one is not correct, this one is correct, 54. This type of sums are given, you can go by options, very easy one. That is better, easy one. Of course we can do by solving, let the number xy you can take, tens digit mean 10x plus y you will get. In that manner we can solve, very easily you will get it, right? Thank you, some more sums you can do tomorrow, right? Thank you all of you, right?